You might think that what I am showing on screen is just a small drainage pond as part of a farmer's field. However, this is not the case. Rather, it is in fact an 80-meter or 262-foot wide and 12.5-meter deep impact crater which formed while early human cultures lived in the region. This impact crater is one of more than a dozen young impact structures in the area which formed in the last 10,000 years, with the other major cluster of craters being the Kali craters. Due to these young craters and a group of surprisingly abundant older craters within the nation, Estonia is considered to have more confirmed impact craters per area than any other country on the planet. This is owed due to both random chance and the nation's overall geology. If a landmass is largely composed of older rock, it is much more likely to retain evidence of past impact events than if an area formed in only the last several million years. In that respect, much of Estonia's geology is uniformly old, as exposed rock layers largely date between 359 and 485 million years ago. Thus, all of its impact craters have formed since then. This video will discuss the third youngest impact crater within Estonia and when it formed, as the impact was likely witnessed by early human societies in the region. The Illumetsa impact craters can be found in far southeastern Estonia, where it can be found 13.5 kilometers west of the city of Varska. Although older analysis suggested that there were as many as 5 closely spaced impact craters, a reanalysis of the region reveals that there are only 2 craters. The larger of the two measures 80 meters wide, while the smaller crater measures just 50 meters wide. They are separated by a distance of 770 meters and formed in the same meteorite impact during which the impacting body broke apart into 2 large chunks. These craters originated in approximately 3540 BC when a small asteroid was on a collision course with Earth. This asteroid measured 7.8 meters or 25.6 feet wide and had a stony composition as it was a chondrite. Chondrites are the most common and also the most primitive type of meteorites, as they never underwent differentiation seen in larger asteroids. Rather, they formed when particles of dust and rock clumped together during the early stages of the solar system. As this 900-ton mass of rock approached the planet, it was further accelerated by the pull of both the Sun and Earth's gravity. Entering the upper atmosphere, it was traveling at 15 kilometers per second or 34,000 miles per hour. At the time, several thousand people lived in the area of Estonia, which were considered to be in the middle period of a Stone Age culture. Due to the many legends that seem to reference this event, we know that people witnessed this asteroid travel across the sky and produce a bright streak of light. Due to the asteroid's small size, 30% of its mass broke off into a single large fragment while the main mass of material continued. Less than a second later, these fragments struck a densely forested area of Estonia during a series of powerful explosions. Altogether, these explosions were equivalent in energy to the detonation of 9.8 kilotons of TNT. Much of this energy dissipated in the atmosphere as several smaller fragments create an air blast at altitude, but regardless create a powerful shockwave. Due to the extreme wind speeds of this shockwave, all trees in the 360-meter radius of the impact were flattened. If a person was to stand 1 kilometer from the blast, they would experience a 52 km per hour wind. These 2 craters have not substantially eroded since and remain as pristine small impact craters which many tourists visit each year. Thanks for watching. If you would like to request a specific topic, please leave a comment below. Additionally, I would like to thank my new patron Solomon Parker for supporting this channel.